Manual machining is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of manual tools and machines to shape and form raw materials into finished products. This process is often used for small-scale production runs or for creating custom parts that cannot be easily produced using automated machinery. Manual machining involves a skilled operator who uses tools such as lathes, milling machines, and drill presses to cut, shape, and drill materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. The process of manual machining begins with a design or blueprint of the desired product. The operator then selects the appropriate tools and machines to create the necessary cuts and shapes. The operator must have a high level of skill and precision to ensure that the finished product meets the required specifications. Manual machining can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, but it allows for greater flexibility and customization than automated machining processes. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication and machining services. The company has a team of skilled machinists who are experienced in manual machining techniques. Berkness Company can provide manual machining services for a wide range of materials, including steel, aluminum, brass, and copper. The company's manual machining capabilities include turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. Berkness Company understands the importance of precision and accuracy in manual machining. The company's machinists are trained to use the latest tools and techniques to ensure that each product meets the highest standards of quality. Berkness Company is committed to providing its customers with the best possible service and strives to exceed their expectations. If you are interested in learning more about manual machining or would like to discuss your specific machining needs, Berkness Company invites you to visit their Contact Us page on their website. The company's team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and to provide you with a quote for your project. With Berkness Company's manual machining services, you can be confident that your products will be produced with the highest level of precision and quality. FAQs. 1. What is manual machining? Manual machining is a process of shaping and cutting materials using manual tools such as lathes, milling machines, drill presses, and grinders. It involves the use of human skills and expertise to operate the machines and produce precise and accurate parts. 2. What are the advantages of manual machining? Manual machining offers several advantages over automated machining processes. It allows for greater flexibility and customization, as operators can adjust the machines to meet specific requirements. It also enables operators to work with a wider range of materials and produce parts with greater precision and accuracy. 3. What are the limitations of manual machining? Manual machining has some limitations, including the need for skilled operators who can operate the machines effectively. It can also be time-consuming and labor-intensive, which can increase production costs. Additionally, manual machining may not be suitable for high-volume production runs or complex parts that require advanced machining techniques. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.